Your delivery fee is refunded daily. You'll see it's refunded each day, totaled at day's end, and refunded the next day. In this video, I'll show you how to sign up for a Bybit account and get 50% cash back on transaction fees. Use the code 50refund or the referral link I'll leave in the description or comments below. Scroll down and click on it to get started. I will introduce you to a system that refunds trading fees for all cryptocurrency exchanges. I've included the links in the description and comments below. The exchanges include Sen, MSC, Binance, KuCoin, Get, Bitget, BNite, XM, and XNet. You can visit these platforms and register an account to receive trading fee refunds. I will now click on the registration link I provided in the description. When signing up, you can click on this code to copy and use it during registration. The code is Get Cap Back now. Now let's switch to the Bybit exchange. To register, you can use your email address or phone number. Bybit refunds trading fees on a monthly basis. At the end of each month, they will calculate and refund the fees back to you. At month's end, they'll refund the fee to your UID. Now let's enter the email and password. For example, hello123 with a capital H, then click Get My Welcome Gift and register. They'll email you. Open it, get the verification code from Bit, copy it, paste it back here. Great. You've registered a Bybit account and will get a refund. Now download the app from Google Play or App Store, log in, verify your account, and keep it secure. Guys, hold on, just let us escape and fly away tonight.